Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are good. I welcome you again to an interesting DIY video where you are going to learn some unique crafts. So here we have created a structure, a pattern like this with the help of plastic cups and then paste the sheets in this manner and then you just have to paste it over. Pretty cool, right? Paste the googly eyes and make it look like this. Pretty cool, isn't it? Now let's see what are we going to do next. You just have to prepare a conical structure like this, put it in between and then paste the button shape in this manner and put the roses in it. Pretty cool, right? Now let's see what are we going to do next. You just have to take the paste sheet and then cut it in this manner, fold it inwards and then paste the sheets in this manner. You'll get an amazing result. Pretty cool, right? Now paste the flowers on the top of it and it is looking super beautiful and amazing, right? It is gonna look super interesting and beautiful. And here's to the result. Pretty cool, right? Happy Mother's Day and it is looking damn pretty. Now let's see what are we going to do next. Take a designer sheet of paper, fold it like this and get the shape in this manner. Again you need to give it folds in this way. Now you just have to paste the string and what we have to do, you just have to get it look like this and then again you need to paste the string in this manner and the antenna on the top of it. Keep on proceeding further and you have to give the impressions like this with the help of a stick and then what we do, you have to paste it in this manner and then your scenery is going to look super amazing and beautiful. Isn't it looking pretty amazing, this beautiful lovely scenery? Now let's see what are we going to do next. Here we have cut a sheet of paper and then get the patterns and impressions like this and then you need to fold it in this manner and get the shape and structure. Beautiful scenery in this way and your garden will be super amazing and pretty. Isn't it looking pretty amazing, this beautiful lovely scenery? Now you have to take a sheet of paper, fold it from top and bottom and then secure it in this manner. Now what we can do, you just have to cut it from the top and then get the beautiful lovely structure in this manner and then paste it look like this. Isn't it looking pretty amazing? Now let's see, you just have to get the fold of paper in this manner and then get a tricolor structure in this way and then fold it from the top. And in between you need to paste it look like this. You have to make another things and here's to the result. What we can do next, you just have to fold it and give it a twirling antenna from the top. Pretty cool, isn't it? Now let's see what are we going to do next. Again you have to fold the paper and make it look like this from the bottom and then you just have to arrange them further. You keep on arranging and get a circular pattern in this manner and then get it arranged. Put beads look like this and then make it decorative. Pretty cool, right? Now let's see, with the help of Fevicol, you just have to paste them further in this manner in a group of 5 and then you'll be getting a beautiful lovely structure of flowers. Paste it in this manner and it is yet ready to shine. Beautiful, isn't it? Thank you so much guys for watching the video.